So you're willing to get started and understand how to use the Meta Business Suite to schedule your actual post. It's going to be really easily. The first thing I want to do is to sign in directly into my Facebook.com application, and once I have access directly inside here, we can go into Meta Business Suite. If you don't have an actual account into Meta Business Suite, we'll be leaving you down below in the description the way how you can actually get started with an actual really easily portfolio. Now that we have access directly into the Meta Business Suite, you will be looking for something like this. The most easiest way to get started is to look out for this blue button that says create the actual post. Inside the element that says create the actual post, it will be showing you where would you like to post your, in this case, your post, or you like to add your media, the posted details, the button, the schedule, share, and privacy settings. So let's get started. The first thing is to add the actual media. What is the actual element that we'll be using to post inside? They're going to be using for the actual post. In this case, I will be using this specific image. Now, this is an actual element that we'll be using for the actual post, and this is how it should be looking as an actual mobile device. So inside the text, let's say for example, this is supposed to be the first big bang. Then we can write with AI, fix the grammar, for example, and use that. There we go. We can add an actual button if you want to, and this is the actual part that we are actually going to be really focusing on, which is the schedule post. So I will be enable the element that says schedule, set date and time, and here I want to look out for the element that says July and select, for example, the time I would like to use. We have a really great tool called the Active Times. The Active Times will be telling you, for example, it tells us when our audience is most active or manually selected data into the upper side. In this case, for example, based into our account, it will be telling us to post today at 7 p.m. or into the next Monday at 8 p.m. So I select that element and go for the element that says save. Here we can share to Facebook story if you wanted to. In my case, I will be using the element that says confirm and choose the privacy settings to go for public and go for schedule. As you can see, the post has now been correctly scheduled in a very easily way. The second or the alternative way to do this process is to go directly into the left section that says the planner. Directly here into the planner, you can see that we have the element that says schedule a post or a story. Let's say for example, here are we into the date, go for a schedule. You can schedule a post, story, a reel, or schedule an actual ad. When you go for the element that says post, it will be happening exactly the same thing, and go for the element that says save, and you can start all over again. So if you have guys any question, you can let me know into the comments below. This process actually is going to be really easily. Meta often approves active time suggestion based on when your specific audience is most active to Facebook and Instagram, so you might want to be taking that in mind. If you have any question, you can let me know guys in the comments below. So don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.